Guys, andyan daw yung andyan na yung ating grab food. I forgot. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ayan. So, nagpa-deliver lang tayo ng food natin kasi nga wala na tayong cash. So, puro online na lang. Online na lang yung gagawin natin. So, yan. So, yung coffee ko. And bumorder ako ng banh mi for breakfast. So, ngayon, nagre-ready na ako. Kasi, ano oras na ba? 6:03. And, yung tour namin mamaya papuntang Munay ba yun? Tayo ko pa basta papunta doon is 7 ang meet up, parang siguro mga 9 minutes walk lang from here. So okay, kainin na muna natin to. Okay guys, naglalakad na tayo papunta dun sa meetup place, which is maybe less than 10 minutes walk. So naglalakad tayo sa bookstore daw kasi. So hinanap ko lang kung saan siya. Okay, let's go. Nahanap na natin ng ano, yes, that's me. So ito na po ang ating minibus. Nandito na si Kuya driver. Hello. Okay, so we're here. Napagod ako sa paglalakad. Saan tayo upo? Siguro dito na lang. Nakakapagod ng paglalakad guys. May gakali na ako. Sabi kasi niya hindi pwede. Wala silang ano doon. Sila nagpipick up sa hotel na sa homestay natin. So buksan natin yung aircon nila. So yun. So kailangan ko daw maglakad ng 9 minutes papunta dito sa bookstore na to. Na-pressure ako sa kanya kasi malapit naman ako. Sabi niya andito na siya. So okay ko sandali lang. Hindi niya ako ng time huminga. Ayan, so I think maybe pick upin pa kami na iba. So let's go. Isa ng water and sandwich. Pero mamaya natin siya kainin kasi busog pa tayo sa banh mi. Okay, mag-relax muna tayo. Let's go. Kasi ito na po yung mga kasama natin. Nandito sila sa may pick-up area. So, magsisisakay na sila dito.
Wait. You can spell H-U-Y. Today I will be your tour guide. Today we go to Mũi Né. From here to there around 250 kilometer. And then when we come back 250 kilometer. Congratulations all of you today. Very lucky customer because you choose the longest tour of my company. Yeah, we reach here around 9 p.m. Okay, around 9 p.m. or maybe more if we have traffic jam. 9 p.m. or maybe 9:30. Yeah, depend on traffic jam. When we come there, we visit 4 destinations. This tour we have 4 destinations. The first is the fishing village. The second, after you visit the fishing village, around 30 minutes and there, we go to the ferry strip. At the ferry strip, you can take off your shoe if you wear shoe, or if you wear sandal. It's okay. You can walk inside with me. Under you, that is the water level, just like this. And it's like on your feet. We walk inside. We check in to destination. That is the Lao Mountain, white sand and red sand. Lao Mountain with the red sand, and the white sand flows on the sea to the ferry strip. And we come out we will have lunch. After lunch, you have a rest a little bit, and then we go to the White Sand Hill. At the White Sand Hill, you can rent the ATV or the moto. Yeah, in here we call moto or motorbike. Yeah, or the jeep. The motorbike can go maximum 2 people, and the jeep, if you go to group from 4 or maybe 5, you can go to jeep. Okay, the motorbike around 700,000 down for one motorbike, and a jeep 800,000 down for one. You can share the money together. Okay, you will go to the top of the White Sand Hill. You take photo everything at there. Around 15 or maybe 20 minutes. Then you drop down. You must drop down. Later, I call the driver to drop you down. Don't worry. Okay. You drop down. You go to the lake with the fresh water. And there you can take photo everything you want. Okay, everything you want. And then we come back to the ticket room. I will wait for you at the ticket room. Then we go to the red sand hill. That one actually not so red. Okay, that is yellow sand. And we go to fly sand hill. Look like in this month, the wind flow like this. The sand from here flow to here. This hill will be higher than this one. And maybe next month, the wind flow like this. This hill more higher than this one. That is a fly sand hill. We call that. That's one also the last destination. And then we come back to the bus. We have the toilet for you. Then we come back to Ho Chi Minh City. Later, on the half of the way, I also have the rest stop for you. You want to have toilet or coffee or breakfast, up to you. Around 15 minutes, then we go straight to there. Go to there, and then you just go the tour. When you finish the tour, we also have a rest stop for you on the half of the way when we come back to Ho Chi Minh City. Okay. And later, in this morning, I supposed to pick up you in your hotel or maybe my office. But in the afternoon, especially in the evening, in Ho Chi Minh City, some street after 4 or 5 p.m. Some street they don't allow this bus. Okay, this bus come inside. If I go van or I go the car like that one, we can drop you to your hotel because the small place, no traffic jam. They ban us because they afraid traffic jam. I go inside, the police arrest us and my driver. That's it. So that's why later, when we come back to Ho Chi Minh City, I drop you 2 destinations. The first is my office where I picked up some customer before. Okay. The second opposite with the office, that is Bến Thành Market. Yeah, you know Bến Thành Market?
Yeah.
Office and Bến Thành Market opposite, very close together. From there you can walk to your hotel, and later you, because your pickup point on the way we come back, so later I will drop you there. Okay. That is the tour Mũi Né today. Yeah, and if you have any plan or anything to do in this evening, spa or massage, please cancel. Okay, use that for tomorrow. Thank you. One go to Brunei, that way go to Cambodia, around 300 kilometers. Yeah, this one is one of the biggest river in Dong Nai province. In this province, behind you, that is Ho Chi Minh City. Behind you. Now you already out of Ho Chi Minh City, no more Ho Chi Minh City. This one we call Dong Nai province. Later you will go to Bình Thuận province. That one inside is Mũi Né, and then they very famous about dragon fruit. We have 3 kinds of dragon fruit: red meat, white meat, and yellow skin. Yellow skin will be the highest quality, but very cheap, around less than $1 for 1 kilogram. Much highest quality. But the most delicious, that is the red meat, because already sweet, natural sweet. Later, if you want to buy, contact me. Okay. The toilet, you just go inside. That's his toilet. Okay, go inside. That's his toilet. Yeah, this way.
Okay,
Go
so
inside,
meron
that's the toilet.
tayong stop over. So sabi niya, kailangan namin mag-CR at gumawa kung ano-ano dahil wala nang stop over. So, ayan, meron ka mabibilang dito ng mga food at na kung ano-ano pa. So, tingnan natin kung anong mabibili natin dito. So, wala mo tayong pera. Bibili na tayo ng iced tea. Yung tea. Over there. Tea over there. Sige, bibili na tayo ng tea. Okay. So, bumalik tayo dito sa ating mini bus.
Around 100 kilometer. Yeah, on the way we don't have any toilet for you. Okay, everything go here. And then you come back to me, and then you to the bus because the bus we park far from us around 50 meter. Okay, we walk to the bus. Then later you will see this one. I will give you 30 minutes. After you finish 30 minutes, you see this one, you come back to the left. Okay.
Okay guys, I think we're already here. Malapit na tayo. Ano, Wine. Ay, nagpipicture sila dyan.
Okay. Everyone.
Wait lang. We arrived at the first destination. Ito daw ang first destination. So, magpipicture.
They still sell the fish. They after they come from the sea, they go there to sell the fish. If you see the round boat, that is the local people boat. The round boat help them to keep balance better. That's it. That's why they use the round boat. Keep the balance better.
The round boat.
Yeah, round boat. That's why.
So
That's
they
it.
ship out the round boat.
Yeah,
and
when-
then they
when-
catch.
when
How do
the-
they catch? On that?
They catch by the yeah. That's one. The web. Yeah, you know the web or the web. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so we're just gonna walk around, see the area, the beach.
Trong tháng 30 ngày bạn cần 30 ngày. Em ơi!
Ayan, nagagalit si Kuya. Ano problema niya? Ayan, so titingnan lang natin yung dagat nila kung maganda. May sinasabi siya ng mga kung ano-anong mga bagay na hindi naman natin maintindihan. Ayan, ito ang kanilang dagat. So maglalakad-lakad tayo. At tingnan natin kung anong mga nagaganap sa buhay nila dito. Ay, sabi niya maglakad daw tayo doon. Ano meron doon? Ito. Sila ate girl. Seller. Mga seafoods. Nagtitinda sila ng squid, lobster, crab. Ano to? Crab siya. Seashell. They're selling seafoods. Ganun. Ano to mga to? Ganito talaga yung ano nila. Ayan, so may mga local na nagsasaya sila dito. At nagiinuman. So ayan. Ito yung dagat nila. Ganyan lang. Siyempre, pa rin ang dagat ng Pilipinas, diba? Pero okay na, maganda na. Sabi ni Kuya pumunta daw doon, sa may bato. Kaya ang init eh. Tsaka naiihi ako. Ayan, so pipicturean lang natin ang place. Yun lang muna gagawin natin. Let's go. Okay, so ayan, so pumunta daw doon sa side na yun. So tingnan natin kung anong makikita natin. So talagang pabilog talaga yung ano nila. Sige, punta tayo doon sa mga batuhan. Let's go. Ayan. Malapit na tayo sa may batuhan. So sila kuya, ay minubuhat silang pinubuhat nila yan papunta dyan. Ayan. Ito. Ayan o. So, para saan ba itong mga bato na ito? Sabi puntahan daw natin ay yung makasama natin sa ano. Ayan. Nagpipicture na sila ating pack. O, diba? Boom. Wala namang makikita dito. Siguro picturean lang natin. Okay, picture. Okay, so bumalik na tayo kasi ang init. Tsaka naiihi ako. Kaya ako maghanap ng ZR. Ayan. So yan lang naman makita. Ganyan lang. Pero wala naman sa itinerary yung maliligo kami dyan. Hindi ko lang sure. Kasi 11 daw. So 30 minutes na kami magsistay dito. So parang stopover lang talaga siya. Picture taking, ganun. So, pero ako wala na akong balak na maligo-ligo kasi ayoko magdala ng basang damit. Hindi lang bukas ng gabi na ang ating flight pa Manila. So, hindi ko sure kung matutuyo siya agad-agad. Anyway, sige. Hanap lang tayo ng CR. I need to pee. Okay, let's go. Figure ko meron siya ng CR doon. Hindi niya ako maintindihan. Hindi ko rin siya maintindihan. Kasi sabi niya hindi siya makapagsalita. Hindi siya makarinig. Sabi tayo mag-uusap. Ayun si Kuya Guy. Let's ask him. Kung sa ano. Is there any restroom? I need to
You see that coffee
Yeah.
shop? You go straight inside. That's his
okay.
coffee. Yeah.
Alright.
Sorry, that's his toilet. That's his toilet. Inside toilet.
So dun daw sa coffee shop. Nakikigamit na ng restroom. Okay. Let's go. We're now back. Back here.
Okay, everyone. Now we will move to the second destination. That name is Ferry Stream. And then the water is slide on your feet like this, and you and me we walk inside. Okay, walk inside to destination. We check in and take photo inside. If you don't want to walk, you still come inside with me, and you have a seat at a coffee at the local people coffee shop. No money for sitting. Okay, free sitting. You can sit at there. Later we come out the same way. Don't worry. When you walk inside, please walk slow and careful. Under you, that is stone, very very sharp. Okay, if you fall to there, say goodbye to the world. Yeah. And we walk inside around maybe 1 hour,
Buwis
around
buhay
that,
daw.
or maybe 45 minutes.
So
Then
we
come out.
walk bare feet.
Yeah. If you wear the shoe like this, you must take off.
If I don't have the shoes,
That one, the shoe, and
I don't have the stone like what you have.
and then they sell the sandal. Okay, If you want, you don't want to buy the sandal, you can keep the shoe with you like this. You bring the shoe with you like this one, and then you walk
Okay.
inside. And then when you come out, you wear the shoe again. It's okay.
Yeah.
If you wear sandal or this one like me, you can walk inside. It's okay, no problem. But I prefer to walk by feet because more cool. Yeah.
Yes, cooler.
And after that one, we go to restaurant. At the ferry stream, we have a toilet and restroom on the toilet. You can wash your feet and there. Okay.
Okay. I think we're here. Yan, this way daw sabi ni Kuya. Sabi ni Kuya Guy.
Hello.
Busy si Kuya namin. Going now.
Restroom that way. Okay. Toilet, restroom that way. We will go this way. Yeah.
Let's see.
Ferry Street. So I'm sure the ferry bit comes in. Yeah. That's picturesque.
So namin hubarin yung shoes namin para makatawid kami dun sa sa kanilang river. There. I didn't notice that there's a monkey, oh. Look. The monkey is holding on to his life. So we're going now, guys. Nakapaan na tayo. Dahil hindi tayo kung alam ko lang, sana nagsinelas ako. Mababol. Madali lang naman pala maglakad, guys. Hindi siya mabato. Ayan. Para na tayo naglalakad sa kape. Sa kape na may gatas. Sana hindi mabato para hindi masakit sa paa. So far puro buhangin lang yung nasa tension. Kaya okay lang. Ito na yung bato, guys. Sana hindi mainit.
No, it's okay.
Oh, this is the first destination. Bakit may malansa, guys? Sabi nila may gumagawa daw ng fish sauce dito. Baka yun yung naamoy ko.
This one is the landscape after the heavy rain. You want to see the landscape before the heavy rain?
Yeah.
So it's like a landslide.
This will show you.
Nice. Ayan, ito
They
ba?
stand on the
At
sand.
ito yung first
Sand
attraction nila.
high like this
Pero
one.
bakit?
Wow.
After heavy rain, no more.
Just take now.
Yeah, everywhere.
Wow.
Like this. You see, this one is before heavy rain. The sand very high, like this one. You can stand to there, climb to there. But after heavy rain, no more.
Ah. Guys, you know. Now you know.
Everything here, and then you count to the second. That one is the second. After the second, you will have none.
Okay, so this is the garden.
Oh, this is like a little zoo inside.
Yeah. Ah, there's a zoo. Are we supposed to go here?
Yeah, I think we should go inside, right? Where's the?
Are we
What is the
supposed to
name
pay? Or is it free? Oh, I,
Seafood.
You cannot pass like this way for free. You have to drink something or to pay.
no, but he was telling that we can just stay, right?
Yeah.
Without paying. That's what he said.
Right? He said that.
So, okay. So, parang zoo, pero wala mang makatang animals. Baka sa loob. Ayan. So, meron sila. Ang init. They have a... ayan. So, ano to? May mga accommodation ba sila dito?
Hello. Yeah. I'm not sure if we are stopping here.
We're not
I don't know.
allowed. Ano daw, I think
Oh, we are not
she's
allowed
just
to come in.
no, I think she's just greeting us just in case we need anything.
You looking anymore?
No, we're waiting for our guide.
Two guys.
Where are the
Yeah.
animals?
Yes.
Where are the
We have to pay
animals?
to get inside.
Yes.
Oh,
10,000.
10,000.
Get two guys.
Yeah, we have our guide. We're just waiting.
Hello, sir.
Okay, so hintayin natin yung guide. Picture lang tayo.
I have one picture with the group. Okay.
Sorry, look at the right. You're right. Yeah.
Ayan, so nagpipicture na sila.
oh, this is a nice.
Nagpipictorial na sila. May ano sila, production. Ayan, mga production. Ayan, so we're going.
All the sand here. Done.
Ayan, sige.
This is a nice.
Picture na kayo.
1, 2, 3.
What is the name of this place?
Ferry stream.
Ferry?
Ferry.
F-E-R-R-Y?
Yeah. That's
And
it.
then shrimp?
Shrimp.
The shrimp? In,
That is
ah,
Stream.
the water
Stream.
flow like this one.
stream. Ferry stream. So we are at the ferry stream, guys.
It's a nice name. Ferry Stream.
Yes, I thought it's ferry shrimp.
Yeah.
Maybe there are shrimps here.
Like seafood.
Okay. The guy, he has a snake. Guys, nandito pala si Zuma. Ang tagal natin hinahanap si Zuma. Ito siya. Nag-migrate siya sa Vietnam. Look, oh. Look. No. Look at the snake. At sila ate ate girls. Ayan sila. And look at the snake. Ay! Ay, sinalikan. Ayan, may bigay siya. Ay! Wow! He has a tip. Take a picture. Do you want me to take a picture of you guys with the snake? No, this is YouTube. Ayan. Ah! Oh my God, guys! Asa? Guys! Ah! Give it to her. Yes. Yeah. Oh my God! Naku, it's gonna bite. It's gonna bite you. There's a poison. Okay. Yan, come on. Be careful, it's gonna wrap around your your neck. It's gonna wrap around your neck. Takutin natin siya, guys. Don't be scared because it's gonna wrap around your neck. Oh my God! Ah! No, it's gonna bite. It's gonna bite.
Sorry.
Ay, gusto mo yan. Gusto mo yan, girl. Gusto mo yan, ha? Wait forever to the snake. Okay. Ay, yung waterfalls pala 5 kilometers from here.
Yeah.
This is...
Yeah, after this one we have lunch.
we're gonna have lunch na.
We have
But
lunch.
we're not gonna go to the waterfalls, right? We're not gonna go to
This
the
one is
waterfalls.
ferry stream. Yeah.
So, but are we going to a waterfalls? No.
This tour we don't go to the
We
waterfall.
don't. But you have an
The ferry
option.
stream.
But they have people have an option to go to waterfalls.
It's just a small stream like this one.
Okay. So the waterfalls is 5 kilometers from here, right?
That is a big waterfall, and this one a small branch.
So this is this. Yeah. We're far from the waterfalls.
This
But
destination is ferry stream
very shame. So now we're going back.
to have lunch.
So this is the last stop here, and then we're going back, heading back to somewhere to have lunch. So yun lang siya. Pero kung may waterfalls na, pero hindi siya kasama sa tour. So yun. Akala ko pa naman ni mababasa tayo. Kasi sabi niya it go high up to parang above hanggang sa tummy. Sila ate girl. Naguguluhan sila sa buhay nila. So yan, so balik na tayo. So kung back there. Oh my God, what's going on, girls? What's happening to you? Ang arte mo mga to. May pagsigaw pa. Akala mo naman eh. Okay, so balik na tayo. Alright, let's go. So guys, we're back here. Saan tayo nagsimula?
Okay, I need toilet.
I think the Chinese guy is lost. Wait, he's gonna find him. he might went to the waterfall. 5 kilometers from here.
Okay, you go there.
Oh, we're gonna go ahead to
I call you.
we're gonna go ahead to the bus. He's gonna search for the Chinese guy.
Chinese uncle.
Chinese uncle. He's lost. He lost his way. You cannot find him. So we're gonna go ahead to the bus. And let's just wait there. I think we're gonna have our lunch. We're gonna have our lunch now. Inside the bus na while waiting for the other guy. Ito na pala siya, guys. Mas nauna pa pala siya. We were looking for you. I thought we were
以为你消失了。
Andito na pala siya, guys. Ayan siya. I thought he's lost. I thought he lost his way. But he's here. Ayun na si guide. Ayan siya. Mas nauna pa pala siya sa atin. Okay, let's go now.